Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and just going to do a different video today. Just want to tell you guys thank you very much. Yesterday we passed 10,000 views on the entire channel, and I just kind of really can't believe it. I didn't know where it was going to go, but it's gone here a lot faster than I ever would have thought. But here are some of the top ones. I think I don't know, a few weeks ago we passed 1,000 views on increment and decrement, and here's another one that's just kind of come out of nowhere, random seed method, and one that's hanging in there is this infinite input. So I just can't tell you guys thank you enough, and also to kind of help me go through and see if there are any topics that I haven't touched on that should be, that I'm completely missing. I would love, I actually had a really good comment question request the other day for a different number triangle. Never really thought about it, haven't run across that setup before. Love being able to do that. Was actually able to incorporate one of a very recent topic that we went over, and just wanted to take a second and say thanks enough. Thank you very much for just all the subscribers, all the likes, and some really awesome feedback. And again, if you guys could just keep helping me out and making sure that I'm not missing anything, any subject matter that you wish I would touch on or do more of, because this is your channel. This is for you, to help you learn Python. And the thing that I'm most intrigued by is the videos that I wasn't sure if I should make, or didn't think that there would be a need for. Those are the ones that seem to have a lot of interest. So I want to make sure that I'm not missing out on something. But yeah, as of this morning, 146 subscribers and 10,048 views. So I just wanted to take a second to just say extremely humbled, and just thank you very much. And you guys are awesome, and just stay tuned and we'll keep moving. And make sure you are clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell, because for the time being I still think we can do a video a day, because we got a lot of ideas coming. I have at least six in the queue right now, coming through next Tuesday. So thanks again, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.